John! Whipped cream?
Yes, he wants it.
Oh, this is for you.
Oh.
This is for you.
You can have
Do you want whipped cream?
He wants sprinkles and he wants whipped cream.
Alright, 1 minute,
And
Emma.
you, Nina.
Emma, could you...
We just... Joe, you?
Don't do
I
that.
want to have the sprinkles.
Do you want whipped cream, Neen?
Yep. Just
Want a
like
cherry?
that. Oh, can I have a cherry?
Cherry?
Yeah,
Sure.
I have a cherry.
Can somebody call John, please, though?
Joe, I'm having...
Go ahead.
What do you have, Neen?
I'm having a cherry too.
Ice cream!
Oh, Mom with open.
John!
No whipped cream?
Nope.
Adios, my
I'm gonna...
You know how they make
I
Shirley...
wanted whipped cream.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Please, on top. And a cherry on.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Good, good.
You're welcome.
Are you going to eat that? Are
Eat-
you?
That's yours. Eat it. Where's John? His ice cream's getting out.
Yeah. Sometime.